Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yeah? Good to go. Let's wrap up. Hello everybody, Ace Andy is here, and today we shall do unboxing of these 3 items that I just bought. This is the V-Mic D4 Duo. Wow, look at that, look at that. I'm so excited. Look at that. The front mic is over here and the back mic, and there's a switch over here that you can toggle. This front is only using the front mic, and once you toggle it here, it will record the back and the front at the same time. And you can use a lavalier mic like this. Okay, you can connect it to this port over here. So with this, you have the flexibility of taking the sound from the front and from yourself with using the lavalier mic. Okay, with this bracket, look, just pop this bracket, tighten it. Alright. Just put it in. But well, voila, done. Okay, if you like these videos, don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Bye.